Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can become a pumpkin on Dress to Impress. So color your skin tone like what you want the inside part of your pumpkin to be, like the color. Then you are going to grab this and I'm going to toggle it to the third one and I'm going to color it this orange. Then I'm going to walk here and I'm going to use the masquerade mask. And I'm going to toggle the feather off and I'm going to color the rest the same orange. Go to the custom makeup, you don't have to, but I'm just going to use these ones. And you can also add in like an eyeshadow for like, I don't know, depth. You don't have to, but then for the like stem, you're going to use this like unicorn horn and you're going to color it this like green. And lastly, I think I'm going to use a cape. I mean, like this hood. You don't have to, but it just looks a little bit more cool. And that is pretty much it. Obviously, put on an outfit if you'd like to. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.